Hi, I'm Roham, and this is my plan to hack my way through the YouTube algorithm. I don't have much time. I need to make a full-time living from my content before I graduate from university in just 2 semesters so I can avoid getting a normal job. I'm going to share with you everything I learned on the way on this channel so together we can build the creator economy middle class. I wanted to be a YouTuber since I was 13. I had a late introduction to the world of online content. I lived in Iran where YouTube was banned, and when I moved to a country where internet wasn't restricted, it was the first website I went to and I was in love. Within weeks I was making my own videos and well, judge for yourself.
Hello everyone, this is Roham and this is my clone. Stop that, we're on camera. Oh, hi.
I really can't watch these. And you can guess how this was received in school. I stopped that channel and I've started about half a dozen ever since, only to abandon them later on. But the dream is still alive. I'm currently running 2 other channels, this is the 3rd one, and I just love making content and I'm gonna make a full-time living out of it. This childhood dream of mine is definitely not unique either. About 1 in 3 8 to 12-year-olds in the US want to be YouTubers when they grow up. We live in a world where, as Colin and Samir beautifully put it, you have to choose not to build influence with your content. Now that comes with its drawbacks, making our shared dream a little bit difficult to achieve. We've reached what Mark Schaefer calls content shock. There's simply way too much supply of content and a physical constraint on how much content a human can consume in a single day. In 2021, the average person spends the vast majority of their waking hours, about 11 hours per day, consuming some form of content. Even if you could eliminate the need for work, food, and sleep, put people in a vat and fed them content 24/7, that's still not enough time for all the content being produced to be seen at least once. So you have to be really good to get past the millions of videos, songs, and articles that never get seen, read, or heard. To get ahead of 98% of creators who don't even make minimum wage from their content. It's even harder to become a super creator, making a multi-million-dollar business out of your following. Back in the day, when TV and radio dominated people's content consumption, the supply was limited and the barrier to entry was super high. Media companies spend truckloads of money to make sure that their content is TV-worthy, and the same is happening to YouTube and other social platforms. The biggest YouTuber of all time, PewDiePie, built his massive audience from his bedroom, making thousands of low to medium budget videos. The content was pretty good and clearly good enough to get ahead of the competition at the time. But fast forward just a few years, and his heir apparent, Mr. Beast, spends on average $300,000 or more per video and has a massive team dedicated to attracting as many eyeballs as possible. In the light of these facts, it might seem impossible to actually break through and make it as a content creator. I don't believe that crap for a second. I truly believe that the creator economy is still miles away from reaching its golden age, and there's still room for millions of other creators to make successful, sustainable businesses out of their passion. What TV and radio failed to achieve was the embodiment of a middle class within their creators. You need strong connections and influence to even enter the industry. Now, online creators don't have anything resembling a middle class, but anyone can give it a shot. So my question is, how do you and I help create this middle class of the creator economy? That's what I want to figure out, and I'm going to document my journey and share my learnings on this channel. This is my path to creating a sustainable business out of creating content. And I'll show you everything I learned so we can grow together. The deadline is tight. I only have 2 semesters to graduate and I do not want to work a single day in a regular job by then. So if you want to join me, buckle up. Subscribe for new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And oh, one more thing. I'm offering a limited number of free coaching sessions to anyone who subscribes and reaches out to me with the link below. This journey won't be easy, but we'll get there by helping each other grow. See you next time.